Hello and welcome to another Brews and Bricks speed build and click score. In this one we are doing Emerald City wall art. This one I'm pretty excited for. I already have a spot plan for it to hang, so I can't wait to get this together. So we're going to go ahead and do that, but stick around after the speed build and we're going to give it its official click score. Not sure what a click score is? Stick around until after the speed build and find out. But with all that said, let's get started. Okay, and time for the click score. As always, the scores run 1 through 5, with 5 being the best. Starting with C, cost. The Emerald City wall art came out in 2025 at $159.99. It is about 1,500 pieces and does come with 5 minifigs. Somehow it seems like it's maybe just a titch too much. Instead of $160, it probably should have been $150, $149.99. That would have felt a little more appropriate and fair. It kind of currently has the IP tax of $10 is kind of how I'm looking at it, but it feels again like too much, so this is a 4. L, likability. It is very likable. Everywhere you look, there's something fun. It's very colorful, very bright. Everything about it is just nice. This is an easy 5. I, innovative. I'm giving this a 4. It is fairly innovative to be able to make all of this in 3D. Lots of fun little techniques used to make it happen. Nothing really groundbreaking though. Although again, lots of different techniques used kind of compiled together to up that score. So instead of a 3, it really is a 4. C, challenging. This one is a 4. It actually is not that hard. There's a lot of pieces. Really, the only difficulty is in how much time it takes. As far as the actual challenge of the set itself, not so much. Again, 4. All right, and K, keeper. Absolutely, this is a 5. I already kind of spoiled it at the intro to this video, but I already have a place on my shelf for this. So yeah, an easy 5. Everything about this, it's just makes it great. It's not big, it doesn't take up a lot of space, lots of color, lots of details. You can put it on a shelf like I'm going to, can easily hang it on a wall. You can put it in a shadow box, which I may end up doing myself anyways. Yeah, just it's a fantastic set. I think anyone who either A, loves Wizard of Oz, B, loves Legos, or C, just needs some color in their life, this is an absolute keeper. So yes, again, that's a 5. Okay, and those are the click scores. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you agree, disagree? But either way, let's find out. Put them down there and I will take a look. But with this all set, I'm going to get ready and build the next and final Wicked Lego set. So stay tuned for that upload and we will see you at that one. Take care.